welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing session with myself, Avena Prince. I am so happy to see you guys. For those of you who just subscribed to our channel, a very big welcome to you. We appreciate you being with us, and we trust that you will continue to enjoy our content and find it helpful or useful to yourself. If you know anybody else who would benefit from the content that we have here, we encourage you to share this video with them, as well as to invite them to subscribe so they too can be part of the RGI family. Now, if this is the first video that you are looking at, we do have quite a few videos on this channel, and we recently completed our series on body shapes, so you might want to go back and take a look at those videos because there's good information in there that I am sure you will benefit from. So guys, we have a lot of noise in the background today because we are almost in a construction zone. So if you hear anything that is out of the ordinary, more than likely that's what you're hearing. But we really want to do this video for you, and if we don't do it today, we don't know when we'll do it. So we're going to charge on, and hopefully all the noise around will not be too distracting. This video is the first in our new series on how to make your garments professional. So if you are a tailor, a seamstress, anybody who is into making garments, you will find some very useful tips that will enhance your product. And for those of you who are buying garments or having garments custom made, you will be able to determine how professionally made the garments that you have actually is. In this video, we're going to mention a few of the things that will help your garments to be more professional, but in subsequent videos, we will go into more detail as to exactly how you do that, okay? One thing is paying attention to your stitch quality. So we will talk about how to achieve and maintain excellent stitch qualities for different fabrics that you will be using. We will speak about as well your ironing. So for those of you who are not aware, there's actually a difference between pressing and ironing. We will talk about that and the effect that it has on your finished product. We will also be speaking about labeling, the importance of labeling, as well as what types of labels you should use for the garments that you are making. Another area we will cover in this series is packaging. And in case you did not know, packaging is also part of your product. So how exactly do you package your product? What do you take into consideration when you do that? So all of these and more we will cover in this series. And guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, ensure that you do that so you do not miss any of the videos. I can guarantee this is going to take your work up a notch, as well as this is going to make you aware of what to look for when you're purchasing garments. I look forward to seeing you in this series, guys. Until next time.